Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be teaching you how to make use of KineMaster app to edit your video for all kinds of video you might have in mind. So let's get started. First of all, install the app on your phone, then open it up. Then to show you that first page of you having a size to choose from, so you choose the size you want. Then it brings you to this page where you can select any clip you want to edit. Then you select, but in this case I'm doing a kind of picture editing, so I'm combining different pictures to form a kind of tutorial. So it's a compilation style for my second channel anyway. So now I'll be importing it into the app. Here they are. So first of all, as this app is a basic editing tutorial, you should know that you must first of all clear the video and make sure it's ready for anything you want to do, and remove all the errors first before you can now start adding your sticker, your text, and every other thing you need to do. So that's what I'll be doing basically. First, I'll be looking out for any object that is not supposed to be there. So these are different pictures from my hijab collection for 2020, so that's what I combined together. So I'll be picking any item that I've wrongly picked to remove any kind of error from the video, just like this. So I'll be searching more. That's why you have to play your video from beginning to the end to see before you can now judge or say okay, you are good to go to the next step. So check properly, check well to make sure you are error free before you can now start doing any other thing to make the editing grow further. Now it's like I'm almost done. Okay, I've seen another picture. Now let's move further. Okay, I think I've seen another one. All right, so I'm almost through with that. So yeah, that's it. You just have to pick all the errors from the video before you start. So KineMaster app has 4 layers which we'll be talking about. So after you are done and remove all errors, then you can now click on any of the layers to now start editing your clip and doing the necessary things you want to make the video look like. So that's what KineMaster app is all about, and it helps you create video like a professional. So if you want to create vlog, if you want to do reaction video, anything you wish to do, KineMaster app is very easy to use. You can check my other video about to create reaction video using the KineMaster app. Yeah, so you can definitely check that out. So I think I am through with the selection of the wrong clip. Yeah, so now we'll be using these 4 layers in this app to make the transition work. Now you click on layer, then it brings you to this transition effect. So at the top, like those two things that are holding those two pictures together, like several pictures, you see that plus sign there. When you click on it, then it brings this out. Then you can now select what kind of transition you want to use in between your video. Like the first transition I clicked on need me to type something, so I'll be typing what the video is all about. But you know, the transition between these items will be fast, won't be slow, unlike the transition you make for the beginning of the text, or when you just want to add a certain information in the video. So that other way you make use of an effect, but this one is transition because it's in between the text, it's in between the video, depending on what you're creating. But for this, I'll be saying picture or text more. So yeah, it's in between the pictures, so just click on it and add transition. That depends on you if you want to add transition to all of your clip, or just some basic, or some type, or the one you just choose to have. So you can then select to add clip or transition to every one of it. Now I just saw this picture I think it should be at the beginning of the video, where I'm putting on hijab and sneakers, so it will make people love the video or be attracted to watch the video to the end. That's why I'm moving it. You can see you can drag item from one particular place to another. KineMaster is just so easy, and it takes little or no effort to be able to do that. Now the clip went back again because I didn't push it to the front properly, so I'll be dragging it back again to the front. Yeah, I want it to be at the front. You can see I just picked, dropped, so I got to the point I wanted to be. So take your time and learn different things on this app. It's quite easy and user friendly. Now I'll be adding a transition between the clip again and the previous one that I had there before. So I think this effect is quite okay. Or you can select every other one. You can see I'm making different samples from the ones I'm seeing so far. So just select the one you feel will be right or fits what you are trying to create. I think this one is okay. I'm good to go with this. Yeah, so that's it. Enjoy the process of editing. Editing is quite fun. I don't know if you understand what I mean by quite fun, but editing is quite fun. So look at, we have different transition you can use. Choose from anyone and add to your clip. And to saying the video is becoming cool. Like, I can't wait to finish this off. Then you can watch it from my other channel, Kiyaki Moment. That's where I post anything about my hijab and my lifestyle and everything. But this capsule before that is about work, how to edit, what app to use, how to just grow yourself, how to make yourself better. That's why I teach personal development with videos. So I think this is okay. Let me just add some text to this effect, because this effect also has text on it, so it requires you to type in something. Now I'm typing it. Let me use hijab style 2020. Wow, I made an error, so I just have to retype it, and let me see how it looks like. Okay, I think it's okay this way. And I can add compilations, so they will know it's a compilation of different hijab that I've worn for the year. So I hope they love it anyways. And guys, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Kamsa Abdul Fatah. You are welcome if you're a new subscriber, and if you're a returning subscriber, please stay safe and be happy. Thank you for always watching my video. Till the next video, stay safe and be happy. So anyways, I'm done typing the 2020 compilation, and I think I didn't complete the word, so let me retype it and complete it back. So I think it's okay this way. Yeah, I think the spelling is not correct. Okay, let me retype compilation. Okay, I think it's okay this way. So that's how you select transaction for each text, each item. So you do that with the side if you want it for everything, or you just want it for a particular section. Now the next step for me is to click on my layer and also work on other aspects of this video. Well, before that, I can add more transition, I think, to other clip. I think I'm okay with that. So let me go to this sticker. I'll also add sticker using the KineMaster app. Yeah, you can also add sticker. Like, look at what I'll be creating now. I click on this style gold, something like look like a sun, so I'll be editing it. Now I'll be dragging it to the side so it can look cool, and I think that side at the top is okay. Tell me in the comment section what your thoughts are about this video. I would love to hear from you guys too. So I think it's okay putting the sun that way. I can now add text to it by going to my layer and clicking on the object. So before then, I can add animation to my sticker. Can you say a KineMaster app is good? Now I'll be going to layer, then clicking on text to add a word to the sun. So everything will be blinking and it will be quite fun to watch. So I think that word is okay. So I'll click on it, drag and put it at the right place and make sure it's cool in the place I put it. Like, it's okay this way, Abby? Guys, tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Now I'll be moving the word, the text on top of the sun and reduce it. Then I have it like this. I think it's okay. So I can add some animation to the text also. So while the sticker itself is playing, the text itself is also playing its own. Guys, I hope you understand. So the next thing I think I can do is to go to my layer and add handwriting. Like, you can just basically write something with your hand while using the app. I don't understand, but I don't really use it because I don't see any need why I need to for the kind of video I'm creating. But if you know you are creating something that require it, then you can click on it and learn from that area. Now I can add music to my videos. Yeah, on KineMaster app you can add music. You downloaded music, any type of music, I mean, from your phone or phone gallery or browser. They called it audio browser in here. So now I'll be moving the music so it will play for the beginning of the video till the end. Yeah, that's how I love my music being played. So if I'm adding a music to my vlog or any video, I love it from the beginning to the end. So it's not left for me to reduce the volume or to increase the volume depending on the concept of the video I created while using that music. I think you get what I'm saying, guys. Now you can wait to watch the video from the just a little tip of the video that we've created. So you can wait to watch it at the end. So I can now add more transition to the other pictures. So those pictures too can pop out and come out well. Yeah. So let me add more transition effect to the pictures. And I think I'm good to go with the various one I've been picking so far. Yeah, so that's how to do it. Just select and click, then you select transition effect. So I think it's okay that way. Just click on the plus sign between each picture, the transition effect will come out. Then after it comes out, just click on it and select the kind of image you want to or effect you want to add. So now you can also pick more clip from your video, like in your gallery. You can add more layer. So this app, I said earlier, is good for reaction video. That's because in this layer you can add a video, you can add a picture. So depending on what you want to add, that's what make it quite different from the other app. So that's why KineMaster app is quite good. You can also use KineMaster to do a lot of things, even color, changing of background and other stuff. KineMaster is also good, so you can watch out for my next video on that topic. I will be creating a video for that. So while we are still at this one, you can just continue changing effects from the beginning to the end of the clip till you are satisfied, because this is a picture like video. So I think I have to just add more clip to all the pictures. Yeah, so that's what I've been doing so far, and I think I'm good to go. Yeah, I'm good to go with everything I've been picking, I've been adding, I've been doing so far. So I can just play the video so you guys can see. Sometimes I love it before I upload a video. I love to watch my videos from beginning to the end to see what I've done before I upload to YouTube. So anywhere I've oversee or I didn't see the mistake or error, I'll be able to correct it before finally uploading on YouTube. Oh, whoa, I didn't add any effect to the last two clips at the end of the video. Okay, let's add. Now let me pick this type of sentimental effect. Wow, I love this effect, it's quite good. Okay, maybe we should make use of this then. So let me look for others and also add more clip to them, because this is a compilation style, so you get the ideology that it needs more transition, like effects after one to the next one, after one to the next one. So I just have to choose varieties of it. Wow, look at the classic event, classic transition. Look at what it got. Oh, so guys, I think I've skipped many areas that I didn't add transitions. Yeah, clock wipe. Wow, I just love some of this transition from KineMaster. I am not paying for it. This is the free version, at least, and I could do this much on it even without paying. Wow. Okay, so now let's go back to layer. Then we'll be picking objects. If you know you want to add new text, like maybe a new picture, additional a clip or something, you can just pick it there and add to it. But in this case, I don't think it's necessary, so let's move ahead. Now I think the only option we're having now is to save. But before then, let me just view this video to the end and cut the other parts. Okay, now I'm done with that. Yeah, I can just cut cut to the end of the video instead of having this long number of items. Now let me cut it off so that at least it will be rhyming. Yeah, so it will be rhyming. Now look at this. You can also mix the volume, increase the volume. Wow, this is super interesting. When you tap on the music you sent so far, you can change the voice, dock, loop, trim or split information. Wow, I love this. So I can quickly just change my voice to like a baby voice, to like an adult voice, to any kind of voice I feel like using. Can say chipmunk, chorus, confusion, glowing. Wow. So all this and more are what KineMaster app has. Now I'll be playing the video from the beginning to the end. Let's hear some of the tone and how they work. Well, I've reduced the volume of the song, so I think you can't hear, but when you try it out, you can also do it on your own. Wow, look at that sunlight. See how it looks like at that side. So this editing is quite interesting to do. I hope you enjoy it. Tell me in the comment section. I would love to hear from you guys. Like seriously, tell me what you feel about this, and tell me what you think you would have done better if you were doing this on your own. Yep. So I think I'm very much okay like this. Okay, so the next thing is for us to talk about the other type of effect which is on the app. Apart from the transition effect, we have another type of effect that basically you can use for your heading, for your intro, for your anything you feel or wish it should be used for. So that's what that app design is meant for. That template is meant for. Now we can write in our word because I picked a text like element effect. So now I'll be writing Chevron hijab style just for the sake of writing. Let's see how it looks like. So if you want to trim, if you want to know anything about split, I'll be having a video next. To subscribe to this channel so you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So in that video I will be talking about how to use KineMaster to trim, split and cut. So I will be expecting you to join me in the next one. Till then, assalamu alaikum people. So now for this particular stage where you can pick any type of design, type of template for you to use as an incoming or welcoming intro, any way you feel like. But I think this app is good and it's best to do all kinds of things, even though I haven't paid for the full version. Yeah, so I'm done picking different kind of text or title effect. Let me put it that way. Wow, they're lovely title effects so far. I've been enjoying this video. Now let me just give you an hint on how to add filter to your video. Like as you can see, just click on the one that fits your skin color, that fits your skin background or whatever you're doing, then you are good to go. You're very much good to go. So the next stage is I've talked about all these other aspects. Now let's talk about the trim split. Let me just give you a brief hint on how it works. Like if you see the 4 items there, only one is being open, which is a freeze, but you can always freeze the picture. So it depends on what you want to actually get from doing that. Anyway, so now, yeah, so you can listen to the clip voice record on also the music that is playing in the background to enjoy the beat of the song. I really love the song and I'm grateful that it's not a copyright song. So yeah, let's get into it. Well, you can pan and zoom your videos too, depending on what you want to do. Anyways, so now let's talk about the other items I said earlier, which is the cut. That scissors like something. It's called a cut. So when you click on it, you see trim to the left of playhead, trim to the right of playhead, split at the playhead. So depending on the one you want to do. Now, how the trim to the left of playhead works is that you put the red arrow that is moving around probably in the middle or somewhere Then when you click on that, it will move to that point too. So you can Ctrl Z it and also retry the method again. You'll see one will go away, but as it says, just click on the next one to decide what you want to do. Now let me just drag this picture and try another method. So I'll move the line towards the middle, then I'll click on split at playhead. You can see divide it into two. So that's what split at playhead works for. So you can also rotate and mirroring, like just rotate the image or the clip. You can do it on KineMaster app. Then if you want to add music or audio, you can also do that, as I did the first one earlier. Now click on save and export. Then to show me this, since I don't want to pay for the app, I'll skip. Then I'll reduce my skip again, then save, choosing the right frame rate for my video size for this phone. Then when it's done exporting, I can now play the video for you guys to watch from the beginning and see all the things we've done so far, like all the arrangements and everything. I hope you learned something for this basic editing tutorial. I would love to see you in the next one. So till then, stay safe and enjoy the moment. So my video is done. Now let me watch it with my video player on my phone. And guys, this is how it looks like. Whoa.
Why you talking in code, no reason? Why you got me on hold, I'm beeping? I knew something was ignited. When you left, I wanted more. All I wanna do is get to know you. East to west to north to south, the whole you. But I need direction, you get the message. Now don't you with me with a rain check? I need something like a blank check. Spending a lot of emotion on tonight. Don't you with me with a rain check? No need to make it a train wreck. Find me a time and decide soon.